For genuine execution in a little bundle, Ford offers the remarkable Focus Street and the Psycho Focus RS. A 240 HP, 2.0-liter turbo 4 controls the Saint, dispatches it to 60 miles per hour in only 6.3 seconds and tops it out at 155 miles per hour. A 6-speed manual and front-wheel drive give whatever is left of the execution surge, alongside an all-around coordinated driving identity without the jumpy behavior of a WRX STI. The tuner auto feel is completely truant. The Focus Street has its own variable proportion directing, a tandem bring-down suspension, more extensive mounted back suspension, and exceptional tires that give it a true arrangement of execution bona fides. We like it superior to the Baguano Insane Focus RS. With 350 horsepower from a 2.3-liter turbo 4, the RS has a full-time all-wheel drive framework with dynamic torque vectoring in its own particular 6-speed manual. Passage fits it with a flexible game suspension, security control with pre-customized track and drift modes, stouter brakes, and a game fumes. The net is an auto that is resolute and hardened. Add in about a modest bunch to get together in snappy corners on account of huge amounts of falsely initiated oversteer and extensive torque steer. On a track, the Focus RS can crush an arrangement of tires and still leave the driver smiling. However, its track toy status misses the mark regarding the Saint with regards to regular driving. The Focus Street hones its range of abilities with a 252 HP turbo 4 on a 6-speed manual. It's the Focus for regular lovers. The 350 HP Focus RS dumps everything from the execution racks into its shopping bushel: torque vectoring, all-wheel drive, track and drift drive modes. It's a track toy that gets tedious on open asphalt. All Focus portals and cars have all-around formed front seats, while RS and Saint models have all the more keeping sport basins. No Focus has a roomy rearward sitting arrangement. It's intense for huge individuals to fit 3 over, to slip in effectively under the low rooftop, to discover knee room reasonable for individuals mature enough to have a home loan. The IIHS says the Focus doesn't do well in its most recent crash test. However, different scores are fine, and all models have a rear-view camera. Other standard highlights incorporate USB and Bluetooth sound, and, in an enchanting retro return, a CD player. Top trims get root, calfskin, and unmistakable and simple to utilize infotainment framework, and Sony sound.